like kitchen designing. So in this I'll be teaching like how to place all the cabinets. So here first we'll go to the advanced tool. So here kitchen and bath. So let's play with both alpha kitchens and customized cabinets. With the both cabinets we'll play. So let me go to the alpha kitchens first. So here we do have every cabinet here, but like with the limitations, with the like limitations in the sense with the standards. So we are having this with the standards. So let's take G profile. So here first we need to place sink unit. So I'm searching sink. So here we got some units. So I'm selecting 900 mm sink unit and I'm placing. And next I want to go to tandem. So here I'm having tandem in many variations. So first let me give 3 tandem. So 800 I'm taking. Just drag and drop. So next I'm taking 2 tandem. So here. And next I'm taking 1 draw unit. Okay. So now I want to place a blind corner. So here this is the D tray corner. So I'm taking 1 D tray. So I'm positioning it corner. So it was done here. Okay, next I need to give also the pull it right, pull out, right? So let me search pull out. So here I'm having 1 pull out. So I'm placing that pull out. So I'm moving every cabinet here. Still I'm having space. So 100 I'm having space, so that I can change here. With instead of 700 I can give 800 tandem. So tandem 800. Let so, yes, 800 2D tandem I'm having. So I'm adding this 800 2D tandem. Okay. Okay. uh, Now I want to place 1 wicker basket. So I'm placing here 1 wicker basket. So here so this is how we place the kitchen cabinets. So remember its height 820, right? Okay. So now we need to give granite for this. So I'm selecting hold shift, select all the cabinets. Select all the cabinets. So here you can see the generator option. So here countertop. So select the countertop. Here I'm selecting 1 countertop edge. So material I'm selecting, and I want to give its thickness 30. So I just want to give some plain. So okay, I don't want any waterfall edge, so I'm just offing. So generate. So here, so this is how the kitchen countertop is generated. So the same process now for skirting. So select all the cabinets. So here generate the toe kick. Skirting is nothing but toe kick style. So these are the toe kick styles. So any one you can select. So in material, any material. So you have to check generate wrap and the foot line. So both and generate. So this is how generating a countertop and the kitchen cabinet. So it's finished. So if you want to change its color, here you can go to the style. So body material in the sense inside of the cabinet. So let me open and show. So here you can see the cabinet inside material is one color. So I just want to change that. Let me show. So I'm changing its color. So you can see its color, it changed. So coming to the door material, here you can see the door style. So door material you can change. So here, so after changing one door material, so you can use material brush and copy paste. So I'm just copying. So here, so after placing all the base cabinets and generating the granite, so let me place the wall cabinets as well. Here you can see the wall cabinets. So first let me place some aqua unit. So we have aqua unit with doors and without door as well. So let me select without door. So here I'm placing to the wall. So now I'm placing other units. So some shelf, one chimney unit. And okay. So one shelf unit. So this I'm replacing with another. So door style I'm changing, or else I can remove the handles as well. It's fine. So this unit is placed. So here, so this is half. And now I'm placing some shelf units. So let me place also like some glass units. So open unit. and one corner unit. So here L shape I'm taking. So I'm reducing this. So let me replace instead of another one. So okay, first let me place the corner unit. Now the space between this is 760. So I need to I can take some nearly to the 750 cabinet. I'm just taking. So I'm placing the 750 cabinet here. I'm just okay. uh, this is how we place the wall cabinets. So we can also place one, like, okay, let me place some glass unit. So here, so I'm giving the same material. Copy paste. So as this is with the carcass we do this glass cabinet, so we'll play like we'll here we put an expo panel. So expo panel. So here, so I'm just placing one expo panel here, 90 degrees. So let me reduce this size. So now I'm copying the same color. So it's done. So I think I haven't placed properly. Okay, done. Here I have placed the wall cabinets also. So now let me put a sink. So here I'm selecting this cabinet. So here you can see the sink generation. So for that I'm selecting the sink. So here you can go through like different types of sinks. So I'm selecting this one sink. So there is no tap. So for that I'm just clicking on configure faucet. So tap style. So here I'm selecting this tap. So and I can also adjust the width and height. So let me give this depth some 500. And now I'm selecting for which cabinet I want sink. So I'm selecting this cabinet, generate. So let me change the tab style. So I think it's not. Generate. So yes, this is good. So yes. So finish. Okay. Okay. Uh, so let me adjust this chimney properly. Yes. Now it's perfect. No gap between the cabinets. So okay. So after placing all the cabinets, so now we are going to the loft. So for the loft, so I'm just placing first base panel. So here you can see we are having loft cabinets. So here we are having the loft cabinet, and coming to the base panel in auxiliaries we are having. So loft base panel. So I'm placing the base panel. So I'm reducing its size. So I'm just giving its size up to like something like 560. So depth and size. So I'm just extending up to 2400. 2400 because the panel maximum height is like up to 2400, right? So here it was like it is not properly placed. So here for that, uh, so here you can see, so this is 820 plus 30 is granite, so 850 plus 600. So we are having a cabinet height. So you got it, how to calculate from the distance from the floor. So cabinet height is 820 plus we have given 30 is granite, and the distance between the two cabinets is 600. So it is placed at 1450. So its height is like about 600. So now we need to place this base panel at 2050. So here, so actually like we can remove this chimney if needed, so if it is disturbing us, so I'm just placing right now. So here I'm copying the same panel and placing. Now I'm reducing its size. Okay. So if I want to give same loft to this side, I'm just rotating. So placing here, reducing its like it's fitting its size. So it's done. So now I need to place left vertical and right vertical. First left wall. So for left wall, so I'm just placing one filler. So one filler done here. So I'm placing it's like 2050 plus thickness of 18 mm. So like 2068 here. So it is placed exactly. So now I'm moving its position. So done. So now I'm placing the loft cabinet. So here I'm reducing its height to 600 and width to 900, means like 450 each door. So you can also give this height as a 600 filler height. So let me place this cabinet at 2068. So okay. Now I'm doing the same copy paste. So now I'm adjusting its positions. So I can take this into the single door like 450, so automatically it becomes the single door here. So I can increase a bit size, some 500, fine. And let me place this side as well. Here let me place the expo panel one more on the top. Sorry, it does not. So I'm placing its height 2068. Okay, so I'm just giving its depth up to 600, sorry, 560, right? Okay, done. We have placed the cabinet. Now we need to so when we are placing a panel, so no need of giving any of the fillers, so directly we can place the cabinet. So here I'm reducing its size 600 and 900 width. So here I'm here. So here at the corner there is a space, right? So here at corner I'm having some space, so that I can increase it, like its size. Here it's, let me increase some 550. Okay, so enough. Let me give here filler. So is it clear? So let me give a filler of right, both right and left. So let me show how it is. Here so here this one I can increase the size. So here let me give some 100 and height 600. So let me see its position now in 3D. So here I'm just properly rotating. So now placing this. So now I'm increasing its size. Okay, done. So let me place this properly. So 2068 and even this is 2068. So it was done. It's perfect. So here this is how, again I'm just copying the same material to every door. the inside fillers as well. Okay, now I'm giving for the base panels as well. So I'm selecting which side. So because when we are placing a base panel, so inside we do get the liner here. I'll show you from the top. Just a second. Sorry, something. So is it clear? Like it will be only easy when you have practiced much. So like it's a drag and drop process, but you need to give proper measurements. So that's how the interiors what we work on. Okay, let me switch to advanced tools first. So now I can copy the material. So when we want to edit any of the cabinets in kitchen, so we need to shift to advanced tool, so then only we can make the editings of the cabinets. So if you shift to closet, only the closet materials can be done editing. So here, so this is how we place all the kitchen cabinets and all. So if you want to place extra accessories, so you can go to the public library. So there you can click like stuff or a burner, so you can get and you can place it. So and something like kitchen accessories or spices. So here we do get different some bottles. So you can first drag and drop and you can replace them so wherever you want. So first place all the elements what you need. You can download all those first. Okay, so let me place the bottles properly. So let me increase its size. So I'm using the same shortcut for move, scaling and everything. It's a shortcut R. So here I just want to place them in glass cabinet. So I'm just moving them to the glass cabinet. So I'm opening the cabinet. Cancel, sorry. Okay, so got it. Okay. So let me place the remaining. So even let me put it in a glass cabinet first. So I'll place them later. So inside the cabinet I've kept. So okay, anything, okay, chopping board, let's place some chopping board. Okay, some cutting vegetables, and let's have some rice cooker, pressure cooker. So let's reduce its size a bit. here, anything else do I forgot? Okay, let me switch to advanced tool now, and now I can open the cabinets. So now I can place this properly. So now I can place them properly. So okay, so I can close the door. So, okay, still it is not placed properly. So here, so let me put inside. So just proper placement. So now I can see clearly. Okay, so here you can see inside even the tandems, everything is visible when you open the door. So here I'm closing again. So even in the D tray is also available here inside, you can see. So while closing you just observe, or else like only that particular door will be I'll be open. So here you can see inside the D tray. So you can close the door. Okay. So after placing all the cabinets and everything, so let me do how to make a backsplash tiling. So for that I'm just going to the wall editor. So what I have explained you like earlier in the session, in the previous topic session. So here the same. Here I'm just taking the some measurement tool. So here some guidelines. So I'm taking up to like 850. So like we had granite and cabinet till then. So I'm just drawing a line. So and from there we have 600, right? So here some 600. So here meanwhile I'm just like in between these two lines, so I'm just drawing a rectangle. So for that I'm just giving some extrusion, some 5 or 2 1 is also enough. So here I'm just placing the tiles here. So here we do have tiles, so glazed tiles, polished. So let me place this tile. Okay, save. So I want to work on the other side of the wall as well. Here the distance, let me know. So this is 1050 and this cabinet is 600. So totally like 1650, right? So let me take a wall editor. So let me take a guideline again. So 1650. So here 850. So from there 600. So draw a rectangle. So 5. So I just want to like copy the same material. So I'm just adding to favorites this material. Once I can get the name. Let's see. Okay. So let me have this wall editing. Here. Is there any? So tiles, right? So some porcelain tile. So yes, this is the same I have pasted. So yes, same ID. Save. So still I can extend the cabinet, I think so. So no, as it is. Okay, fine. Okay, it's okay, fine. Um, so here like we'll place some water purifier. So I'm just placing some random water purifier. So okay. So now I can stick like all the accessories properly. So here we can also place the top panel. In advanced tool we do have in auxiliaries. So in auxiliaries, so we do have the top filler. Here you can place that top filler. So hope you understand till now. So let's have a render now. So meanwhile, let me place one window so that the sunlight can be visible. Is it clear? Please let me know. So like I'll be sharing the video link also so that you can go through in detail if you're having any doubts. Inch. Okay, so let me take some rendering. So this I'm using the real-time lights. So here we do have also the preset templates. Can I explain the rendering topic also now, or should I use like should I say in the next class? Okay, how to open the doors, open the close and cabinets. It's a control O. It's a control O. So by using control O we can open and close the cabinets. Okay, should I stop here? Otherwise, should I continue with the rendering topic also? Or else should I say the closet also? So please let me know. Okay. So here these are the like presets light templates already we got it. So if you want we can delete these lights. So here I'm just deleting all the extra lights what I got. So these are like automatically we get. So okay, so this light I'm deleting, and inside the cabinet lights I'm deleting. And this I'm increasing its size. For a single light I'm just extending its size. So it was very much light. So let me position it properly here, and let me decrease its brightness. Here you can see its brightness, so I'm just decreasing its brightness. So now I can see its view. So here, so if I want to still remove the light, I can remove, otherwise I can also increase its brightness. So select the light and you can reduce its. So, and moreover I'm getting much sunlight from here, so I'm deleting some external light. And so here you can see the sun shadow now. Yes, this is outdoor brightness is much, so if I decreased it, so I do get less brightness. And ambient brightness is nothing but, here you can see the difference. So when it is low, so we cannot, like we do have like much shadow. When it is high, we do have like much lighting, so like a less shadow. So here this is the difference, and you can see the differences, so that according to that your requirement you can adjust the outdoor brightness, ambient brightness, even the ambient like reflection. So here, and if I want, I'm adjusting the softness of the shadows to the up to 20. And I want to get sunlight to this room, like, so I'm adjusting the sunlight position and its direction into the room. So here, so now here you can see the yellow color line, so that was nothing but the direction of the sun. Here you can see I'm just moving, so and you can see it's a direction how it is coming. So it's a position of the sun around the house. So here you can see then of the sun shadow. And I just want to place one light under the cabinet. So for placing under the cabinet, I'm selecting the rectangular light. So I'm reducing its length. I'm reducing its length up to 20, and I'm moving under the cabinet. So here I'm placing under the cabinet. So where it is. So let me give it some good brightness and its color as well. So let me take some warm light. So I think it's, yes, okay. Now I'm placing under the cabinet. So I'm moving it to the corner. So here, So now you can see the light here, high here, or let me decrease a bit, like reduce the height. So now you can see the under the cabinet. So let me change the environment to evening so that it would be easy. So let me reduce sunlight. So now you can see the cabinet under the light. So you can reduce, like you can increase its width and place under the cabinet, total cabinet you can place it. So here this is how you can give the light to the under the cabinet. So this is how. Uh, so only you want under the cabinet just reflection, you can reduce the scattering. So if you want to like it should be in an angle, so you can increase the scattering as well. So I'm reducing some brightness. Yeah, okay, got it how I'm doing, like increasing and decreasing the brightness so that you can see the changes here. So after giving like every proper template of a light, so here if you want to give any spotlights we can give here. So here just drag and drop and place it. So here I'm saving the template. So after saving the template, so I can choose like if the same I want in night time, so you can change the template. Let me show even that. So here you can see the daytime I have created. If you have created nighttime, so you do get the nighttime as well. So based on the time, so you can make two different lightings. So I hope you understand what I'm so show light cabinet lights. Okay, so I'm showing once again the cabinet lights, so please do observe carefully. So here, so this is a nighttime template. So for that, here you can see the glow light. So either you can use the glow light, otherwise you can use the rectangular light. So now I'm showing with the glow light. Here this is a glow light. So now I'm increasing its tube length body. So now I'm placing. So now I'm placing it properly. So here, so I'm placing the light under the cabinet. So I'm giving some, so I'm just giving some brightness to it, and color I'm choosing some warm light. So here, so let me delete the other lights. So I'm deleting the other extra lights. So here, so you got it how to place a cabinet lights. So either you can use this glow light, otherwise you can use the rectangular light. So while we are taking a rectangular light, so place the rectangular light, and now do the settings for this. Like you have to reduce the length of the light and just move and place it. So let me show this side. So it is not properly rotated, so I'm rotating into 90. So now I'm moving, so I'm moving into the upper cabinet, like under the cabinet I'm placing this light. So I'm reducing a bit length, like width of the light. So here, so the light is not placed properly, so I'm just moving that light under the cabinet. So you got it here. So placing the light under the cabinet, so we can reduce the brightness. So if you want, we can off the double side light so that only one side the light is scattered. So you can position it properly. So under cabinet light, so you can increase a bit brightness. So here, so like, do you understand how to place a light under the cabinet? So either you can use this like cube, otherwise so you can also use rectangular light, both. So let me increase its brightness and reduce its radius. So here, so these two different ways to place a light under the cabinet. So these are the two different ways. So this can be used as a scale light, and this can be used for a light to scatter onto the surface. So at the time we can use the rectangular light. So when we want to place a light under the cabinet, simply like a strip lighting, so we at the time we can use the glow light. It's enough. So this is how. So save the template. So and we can have a rendering now. So I'm moving the wall. So both in day and night, let me take. Okay, so this is how we place all the lights. Not only like only the placing of the like rectangular light is might be a bit like typical. So whereas like placing all the spotlights it's very quite easy. So here we just go to the light editing. So if you want some spotlighting, here directly you can drag and drop here. So here you can drag and drop and you can place wherever you want that spotlighting, and you can adjust its brightness. So here you can see the spotlighting, here where it is coming. Here I'm just moving the spotlighting. So now you can see the difference. So if I move to the left, so there you can see the spotlighting. So similarly the spotlighting is very easy of placing. Like only the strip lighting is a bit typical, like placing under the cabinet. So we do like, so when you're habituated once, so it would be also like quite like very easy. So after placing every light, so you can just save the template and you can go to the like rendering. So let me give some rectangular light. So So good lighting position. So here, so this is the like rendering image. So here you can see the under cabinet lights. So here in daytime we have placed only one under cabinet light, like one cabinet here, whereas in nighttime we have placed in two different places. So this is light with the scattering, and this is just a strip lighting. So you got it, how to place the lights and make rendering. So the complete tutorial on rendering will be given in the next session as well. So like meanwhile you can practice how to place the cabinets and generate, so like how to generate the granite sink and everything. You can go with the practice, so that you'll be like it will be easy for you. So then like next in the next class I'll be teaching like how to place a wardrobes, and how to generate a sliding door, and how to open a door for that. So that will be teaching like that will be taught in the next class. And any doubts, please let me know, so that I can like okay, I'm just rendering again. Here, before rendering, so I can select any of the resolution of the image. So I can select some like any of the template, and I can select the lighting what I want. So what I have done with the real time lights, so either daytime or night time. So I can select one thing, and I can position the camera. So here I'm moving the camera, positioning a view, generate. So if you want to have like narrow spaces, then you can use this and move your camera and take the full view. And if you want to enter the camera inside of the component, you can use this clipping here like this. So you can cut the other components. And if you save this angle, here you can see the camera, save camera. So if you save this, so automatically the angle will be saved. So whenever you move it on somewhere, so if you click on here and open this, so automatically that scene would be visible. So it would be quite easy. సో ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మనం యాంగిల్ ఎప్పుడైనా లైక్ డిఫరెంట్గా పెట్టి వదిలేసినప్పుడు మనం మళ్ళీ అదే సేమ్ యాంగిల్కి వెళ్ళాలి అనుకున్నప్పుడు, ఇక్కడ మీరు కెమెరా షాట్ అనేది ఒకటి చూస్తున్నారు కదా, సో అక్కడ లైక్ వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దాట్, సో ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఆ వ్యూకి అనేది మనకి ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. So here this is another rendering. So based on the material you can like you can have different look. So this is just a normal matte finish I have given. Here you can see the tiling as well. So here you can see the tiling, so the tap positions, so and even everything would be like a different rendering. So I hope you understand how to make a kitchen and rendering. So if it is clear, please let me know, or else like if you're having still doubts, please let me know, I'll be telling you again.